What is going on, you peeps? How you doing? Listen, I'm back out here at the property, as you can tell. I mean, what else? I start my videos the same, right? I guess I'm out here at the property, okay? Oh, I just unloaded some stuff into the barn, some tools and things that we're gonna need. Just started me a fire, checky. Oh, we're gonna warm up, and we're gonna work today. I got more work to do. This fire's not gonna get too crazy because I'm trying to keep it a little closer to the house, just because it's a little cold today. It's supposed to warm up later, but I'm out here earlier. Yeah, I got work to do. I got plumbing to do. I gotta run water lines. I did my drain and waste, venting, all that good stuff already. So now it's on to the water line. Oh man, the wind's kind of picked up, you know what I'm saying? Well, keep this fire a little bit tame today. We don't want to burn the whole world down, unless we do. Anarchy. Or is that? I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, so I got some work to do because there's a lot going on. There's a lot to schedule, and this is the way of GCing your own house, is you've got to be coordinating all these subcontractors to come in at the right times and everything else. And so I'm trying to get my spray foam guy lined up. Now, I was going to initially do kind of a DIY spray foam. Okay. You know, it's crazy, because that's the thing. We hired some pros to do it in the barn, and they came with those DIY kits and started spraying it themselves, which was like, wait, what? Which is weird, because they got a whole lot of reviews on Google. They got there's a bigger company and all that stuff, but they were doing the DIY spray foam kits. So I was like, well, I can do that. I found some spray foam kits, bought them, as many as I needed, because I calculated roughly, what kind of square footage I have on the walls and everything that I want to do, and bought enough spray foam kits to cover all that, to do 2 inches all the way around. But I decided, and then I was kind of looking, at the same time I was looking for other guys to, other companies, and one of them came back and said, yeah, we got, the whole shebang, all the equipment, everything else. I can do it for a good price. And it was just a little bit more than what I bought the kits for, on my own. A couple grand more. So I think it was like $3 more. And I'm like, you know what? For $3 more, I get the kind of the peace and reassurance that, it's going to be done right and all that stuff. Because I've seen too many issues, too many horror stories and all that stuff as I've been researching. And man, it's like you research enough and you're gonna scare yourself out of doing anything. So anyway, yeah. So I'm trying to coordinate him, and I'm gonna try to get my plumbing done, because I got electrical coming on Monday, and they're gonna take all that week. And I've got my HVAC folk coming as well to do the rough-in for all the mini splits, because yes, I did find somebody to do mini splits for a decent price that knows what they're doing and isn't afraid of them. So yeah, a lot of stuff that needs to happen before the spray foam guy comes, because they're asking, yeah, hey, when can we know? Because we gotta just prep our guys and our gear and everything else, and they're also kind of coming from a little further away. So, they want to kind of make sure they've got things lined up and can coordinate a little bit. So I'm trying to do all that. But yeah, that's what's going on. So I'm out here at the property, and I'm gonna do me some plumbing, okay? Get in my Mario suit and get on it, if you know what I mean. Yeah, let's go. It's a me. Yeah. Okay, that hurt. Just kidding. Not breaking this one. Oh, am I? good to know your house is made out of material that can break so easily. Or I'm just super strong. But you guys have seen my strength in previous videos, so you be the judge. I don't know, I quickly realized that I need to go to the store. I got a bunch of PEX fittings and connectors and elbows and tees and all sorts of stuff. One thing, I guess, you know, once you're here and once you're looking at it,
look at that, look at that.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, look at that.
and you're like, oh, okay, I'm gonna go here and here and here and do this and that. You're like, ah, okay, that's what I need. And I got way not enough of these 3/4 to 1/2 inch elbows, and I gotta go get those. And a few other things, and yeah. That's it, man, that's construction for you. All right, let's go, rah, do the job, I'm here to work. And then you're like, I need to stop because I have not this, and I don't have this, and I don't have that. And anyway, I'm off to the store, and we'll be back. For you, this is fun. You just get to come right back, like right now. I'm back from the store. And yeah, I got started. So this is what I got so far. All right, this is my utility room. This is where my floor heat is gonna be, with my water heater and my main water line right there, all wrapped up in insulation and stuff like that. And so up there in the bonus room, if you remember my plumbing over there, there's a sink right there, toilet right there, and shower right there. So I got it teed off. So basically I'm gonna have my main trunk that's gonna run all the way down this wall in 3/4, and then I'm gonna 1/2 inch tee down all the way, drop down right here for my kitchen island. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it down this way. So once I come over here, I'm going to tee off again because I need to go back towards me and then also down that way. So I'm gonna take it down this wall, straight down here. I got a sink to drop down right there, utility sink. And then I'm gonna take it along this wall here, because then I got all I got my sinks over there in the master. I'm gonna come over, drop down for the laundry, drop down for the hallway bathroom, and all that good stuff. So I have two main kind of runs on this side of the house, and then as I take it on the other side of the house, when I tee off, I'm gonna go all the way down, and there's a bathroom down there that I need to service with water, and then my outdoor kitchen and all that good stuff. So that is the plan, folks. Oh, there's no H. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna try to do a little more and see what we can come up with. All right, here goes nothing. Booyah! And that right there, that's how the sausage is made, folks. Or whatever. So it's getting to the end of the day. I mean, there's obviously still some time left, but I want to come home, make some din-din. We're having burgers. Burgers! But I got this side mostly done. I mean, as far as the 3/4 line, running the main trunk, and then I just basically put the fittings down to where I need to come down to the 1/2 inch, all the little fixtures and whatnot, but ran it all the way over and I still got to go over there. Like I said, next week I got my electricians coming to do electrical, and yeah, I'm pumped about that. But at the same time, I was hoping that I would be the first one done. But you know, it doesn't always go as planned. That's what I'm finding out, like all the gosh dang time. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna head out of here. I'm gonna leave y'all be, and I don't know. It's probably a short video, no biggie. I don't know. Feel free to subscribe. Feel free to follow along as we're building the house. But yeah, I don't know what else to say, folks. Hit the like. Just come over, hang out with me. I don't know. Never mind. That's creepy. Unless I know you. Then hang out. Let's go. Anyway, y'all take it easy. Till next time, peace.